7MBR10SA120J-20 by USComponent.com. Fuji 7MBR10 SA120J-20 is a robust IGBT module designed for industrial applications, featuring a current rating of 10A and a voltage rating of 1200 V. Engineered to meet the demands of low to moderate power systems, this module provides reliable performance and efficient power handling capabilities. Its compact and integrated design simplifies installation and enhances system reliability. With advanced thermal management features, overheating is prevented, ensuring sustained operation even in challenging environments. The 7MBR10 SA120J-20 module is versatile, finding applications in motor drives, power supplies, and various industrial systems. In summary, this module offers efficient power handling, reliability, and versatility, making it an ideal choice for low to moderate power industrial applications. Ready to buy 7MBR10SA120J-20? Please contact sales at USComponent.com.